Hey guys, Tech Doc here. Today I'll show you the easiest way to install FFmpeg on your computer. You can use it for 2D animation in OpenToonz or, like I showed in the last video, for downloading videos in 4K with YTDLP. Go to your search bar, type PowerShell, and run it as administrator. Type this command in PowerShell Winget search FFmpeg. This will show you all available versions of FFmpeg. To install, just type Winget install FFmpeg. This will automatically download and install FFmpeg on your PC. If you want a specific version, replace Walk with the one you see in the list. Once it's finished, close PowerShell, open it again, no admin permission needed, and type FFmpeg version. If you see version details appear, congratulations, FFmpeg is now installed. If this helped, hit subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss more quick tech tutorials.